Okay, so we are going to go from top to bottom, and we are only going to go through the ones that are being sent throughout the ordering process. We are going to do the rest of the email templates later on as we go along and finish up this whole project setup. So when somebody signs up, they will get a client sign up email the first time. Let's go get customize this one. So it's going to come from support@clubcoder.com, and it's going to say from clubcoder.com. So I think I'm going to change this to come only from clubcoder, like that. And welcome to clubcoder. We have it there. And then I am going to make the font much larger. Make the family Arial and size probably 18 points. So for example, dear Jimmy, thank you for signing up with us. Your new account, we don't have to, we can eliminate this, make it straight to the point. Your club coder account has been set up, and you can now log in and start coding. Log in and start coding using the details below. Email, password, make it simple. Password to log in, visit here, and then our signature. So looking good. So remember Arial and 18 points. Save changes. The next part is order confirmation. I want to edit this one. Make sure it comes from clubcoder as well. And add clubcoder order confirmation. Select all of these and change that to Arial with 18 point. Like for example, dear Jimmy, we have received your order and will be processing it shortly. The details of the order are below. Order number, order details. You will receive an email from us shortly once your account has been set up. Please quote your order reference number if you wish to contact us about this order. Let's remove these whole lines. That should be it. We have received your order and will be processing it shortly. We have received your order. It's kind of instantaneous setup. So period. The details of the order are below, and then that's it. Clubcoder order confirmation. Looking good. Save changes. So we got the sign up email updated, the order confirmation updated, and then let's go to product messages. We are going to use this one, hosting account welcome email. So I'm going to change this one. Okay, so first change the top to clubcoder, and then change the subject to your clubcoder control panel. And I'm going to change the fonts here, Arial, and size is 5 or 18 points. Now we have too much information here which may confuse people. If I scroll down to the bottom, we don't need email settings, so I'm going to remove that. FTP, we don't need this as we want to learn how to code, and we won't be uploading a website. We won't be needing name server information, right? So I'm gonna remove all this as well. Here is okay, this is good, and this is too much. Remove that. Below is the information you need regarding your Club Coder package. Okay, below is the information regarding your Club Coder package. So we got the package, the hosting package, domain, first payment amount, recurring billing cycle, next due date. Okay, now Club Coder control panel, login details, the username, the password, the login link. I'm gonna remove all this. Login link, since it's going to use a subdomain something.clubcoder.com and then 2082. I'm gonna remove the triple W as well. It's gonna start working immediately. Put some space there, put some space there, and Club Coder control panel login details, and then give them the login link. They can click here and start coding. Use the login link above to log in directly to your control panel to start coding. That's it. So they have the client area part, which is the WHMCS client area, and this is the cPanel login details, right? This is the cPanel login details. So here we are going to customize later on. Once we upgrade or upscale to a VPS server, we are going to customize the cPanel so we can properly guide our new coding or our new coders to be able to start coding right away once they are logged into the cPanel interface. So this is good to go. I'm going to save this now. So let's go up. Dear Jimmy, below is the information regarding your Club Coder package. New account information, or we don't even have to use this heading. I'm going to go there right away. Okay, hosting package, public domain, or public domain, your public domain, first payment amount, recurring amount, billing cycle, next due date. Okay, nice and simple. So later on, I'm going to create also a Facebook page for Club Coder, and we can also add a Facebook link at the bottom, Twitter links, praise ad link, and so forth. Okay, so that's the product messages. We have set up the hosting account email. So if I check here, we don't have any domain messages yet. We can set this up later on. Invoices, we do have this. Okay, first when they order, they are going to receive invoice created email here. So let's change this as well. Club Coder invoice Arial, and make it 18 points. Dear Jimmy, this is a notice that an invoice has been generated on the date here. A payment method, invoice, amount due, due date. You can log in to your client area. Okay, that looks good. Save changes. And once somebody paid the invoice, I'm gonna go scroll down, invoice payment confirmation. I'm gonna click there and change here as well. Clubcoder.com, remove that part. Clubcoder invoice payment confirmation. Select all of that, change to Arial, change font size to 18 point. Dear Jimmy, this is a payment receipt for invoice number sent on this date and all the transaction details. You may review your invoice history at any time by logging into your client area. Note this email will serve as an official receipt for this payment. Okay, looks good, but yeah, looks good. I'm going to change the invoice created email again. Sometimes people have an automated subscription created through PayPal, and we want to give them a notice. If you are subscribed with PayPal subscription payment, you don't need to manually pay this invoice. Your payment will be taken automatically through the PayPal subscription service. Okay, at that part, maybe make it red or orange so it's kind of stand out a bit, because sometimes people see an invoice and they make a payment manually while they are actually already subscribed to a PayPal automated payment. So we're taking the payment twice. Happens a lot on the backup service I am running. So let's put this notice beforehand. So it's looking good now. I'm gonna save the changes, and that's it. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and try out the, let's go make sure if we got everything covered. Yes, we did. So next we are going to test the whole ordering process and see how that looks now. Okay, so let's go right ahead. I'm gonna go to the shopping cart. Let's order the Discover package here. I love coding. .clubcoder.com. Continue. Oh, we have that from the previous recording session. I'm gonna remove that. And the grade for coupon code is applied, so we don't have to make an actual payment. I'm going to check out here. I'm going to fill in these details now. Okay, so it's going to go to my son's email address here. I have read. We will create this terms of service page later on after this course, along with other things that we are going to set up. So I'm going to go ahead and complete the order to see how the emails look. Finish this up. So on the thank you page later on, we are going to create a video. Yes, a video to display. Let me show you this part here. So on the order confirmation page, we are going to put a big video here, and someone can just play it and will know what to do next after they place an order, what to expect, where to go to start coding, and so forth. We will do that later on, but now we are going to check out the email that is being sent. Okay, so this is the emails we got from Club Coder once someone signed up. We get the from is from Club Coder, which is good. Now we have welcome to Club Coder invoice payment confirmation, your Club Coder control panel, Club Coder invoice, Club Coder order confirmation. Okay, let's go from welcome to Club Coder. Dear test coder, your Club Coder account has been set up and you can now log in and start coding using the details below. This password, and to log in, go here. Looks good. If I go back, payment confirmation. Remember we set up invoice starting from 1000, so it looks good. 1001. It's all 0 because we have invitation code here. One-time discount minus $25. So all good. We have even a invoice here. So we can take a look at how this looks. Okay, this needs to change. Replace this with your own logo by uploading your logo to images logo.png. So we want to change this, right? So let's go ahead before we forget. So I'm going to go cpanel. I'm going to go actually to the file manager, images, and then logo.png. So we have images here and then logo.png. So I'm going to upload my logo first, and then we're going to delete that logo.png file. So I'm going to upload and choose my Club Coder logo here. This one or this one? I think it's Club Coder logo, this one. That's done. So I'm gonna go back here and I'm gonna refresh, or just go back and then go forward again. Now I'm gonna delete the logo.png file first. Where is it? Logo.png. We have placeholder.png. Let's take a look again. No, it's supposed to be images / logo.png. I'm going to close that. Make sure we have that file. So it's actually this file. So if I open on the browser here, as you can see, it's placeholder.png, right? So let's go ahead and delete this one. I'm deleting that one, and I'm renaming my Club Coder to placeholder.png. I'm gonna rename that and name it placeholder.png, right? So rename the file. So that should be good. Next time we are signing up again, it should have that logo. Instead of this one, it's gonna show up the Club Coder logo, and it says paid here, which is good. Your Club Coder control panel. Dear test coder, below is the information regarding your Club Coder package. Hosting package, discover. Public domain is this one. And first, recurring billing, next due date. This is the cpanel login, which is good. So if we go here, we can actually try to log in. I love to see, right? And copy the password. I love to see. And log in. It should have created the cpanel login details. Here we go. I love to code.clubcoder.com and all the details of the discover package. So as you can see, it is talking with the cpanel server correctly, and we can even try that. I love to code.clubcoder.com. So it's loading properly. We will change this later on, so it's not gonna be showing this, but we're gonna make our own customized page, probably with a video, which will be the same video that is being displayed once the order is completed, and replay it here so people know what to do next and how to start coding. So it looks good, everything looks good, order process looks good. So if I go back here, we have the invoice, we have the reminder here. Again, the invoice will have the logo on here because we have changed the image logo. And club coder, okay, this is the order number, order confirmation. So everything looks good so far. That's pretty much it. So I'll see you on the next course.